It's very, very cute. And then, how cute is that? Today I'm gonna be showing you some pieces that I received from Fansidea. So I got this baseball jersey. This is what it looks like. I was able to customize everything, what color I wanted, what letters I wanted, what I wanted it to say on the front and the back, like the numbers, like everything. I was able to customize it, so I really like that a lot. So I got this black and white one. It says Jesus on the front. And I chose a number 66 because there are 66 books in the Bible. I love this pink color. How cute is that? And then on the back, I put Acts 2:38. It is a Bible verse, so you should definitely look it up. And then I put another 66 on the back. So my first impression is that the material is very thick. It is not thin at all. It is a very, very nice material. And the embroidery here is very nice as well. How cute is that? And then on the back, same thing. And I also love the little pink detail here on the sleeve. I think that this is absolutely adorable, guys. All right, so we're gonna go to the next piece. Okay, so this is the next jersey that I customized. Here are the letters in the front. It says Boricua. And I just love the little pop of orange. It's very, very cute. And then on the back, guys, this is so adorable. It says Diaz on it because that's my last name. And then a number 21 on the back. How cute is that? And same thing as the first shirt. Like the embroidery is really good quality. So cute. The quality is amazing. I am super impressed and I cannot wait to wear this. All right, guys, the next piece is this V-neck one right here. And it also says Boricua. On the sleeve, it has the Puerto Rican flag. Like, just this little detail here is just perfect. Like, it is so cute. Super saturated, super nice and vibrant. How nice is that? That is so cute. And then on the back, I also put Diaz once again and the letter 21. And I love this V-neck. I love this detail here on the neck. I think that it's absolutely adorable. The best part of it is the Puerto Rican flag on the side, and I did customize this. So when you go on the website, you're able to upload a picture of what you want to put on the shirt if you want to customize. Okay, so the last piece that I customized was this varsity jacket, and they had so many different ones in different designs and different colors, but I decided to go with this green color because I really love green. So on the front of it, I got the logo. It says Jesus. And then on the back, it says Acts 2:38 and then a number 66. And once again, I just love how big the numbers are, how it really fills up the space so nicely. And the perfect part is I actually customized the sleeve with our church logo. It says Tabernáculo de Vida. This is actually our church logo. It has these buttons in the front. It is very, very cute. It does have pockets at the bottom as well on each side. It's absolutely adorable. This is what the inside looks like. And it does have an inside pocket as well. That's very nice to put your phone, keys, whatever. How adorable is this jacket, guys? It is so, so cute. All right, guys, so those are all the pieces that I received from Fansidea. Absolutely amazing quality. So if you want to check out Fansidea, I will have them linked down below with all their information. I am super happy with the quality of these pieces. I really love the concept and I love all of the pieces so, so much. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.